This is why I exist in restoring furniture. I've got to tell you, I've seen some things in my time, but I've never seen this level of atrocious buggery on a high-end piece of furniture. Somebody has used brad nails and actual collet, which are jib nails, to upholster this beautiful piece of furniture. It is absolutely insane. And I'm going to pull it off and see what's underneath. Close my eyes, big reveal. Oh my god, that is dope! 1980s original fabric. And just so you know, FYI, these were a smooth satin black lacquer. So the whole chairs were black with this fabric. They're going to be awesome when I'm done. I'm super stoked. Let's go.